English Learning Network.
The present tense is used to describe actions that are currently happening, general truths, habitual actions, and sometimes future events. There are several forms of the present tense in English. Simple present tense, used for general facts, habitual actions, and universal truths. Structure, subject plus base form of the verb, add s or ana was for third person singular. Examples: habitual actions. She walks to school every day. General facts. The sun rises in the east. Universal truths. Fish swim. Scheduled events. Future meaning, the train leaves at 6 p.m. Instructions or directions. Mix the flour with water. Present continuous tense. Used for actions that are happening right now or for temporary actions. Structure. Subject plus M is or plus verb plus ing. Examples: actions happening right now. She is cooking dinner right now. Temporary actions. I am staying at my friend's house this week. Future plans. He is starting her new job next month. Changing situation. The weather's getting colder. Present perfect tense. Used to describe actions that happened at an unspecified time before now, or that started in the past and continue to the present. Structure. Subject plus have, has plus past participle. Examples: unspecified time before now. They have eaten lunch. Actions that continue to the present. We have known each other since childhood. Experiences. Have you ever seen a whale? Changes over time. Technology has advanced rapidly. Accomplishments. She has won several awards for her work. Present perfect continuous tense, used for actions that started in the past and are still continuing or were recently completed, with a focus on the duration. Structure. Subject plus have, has plus been, plus verb plus ing. Examples: actions continuing to the present. She has been studying for 3 hours. Recently completed actions. I am tired because I have been working all day. Emphasizing duration. We have been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes. Repeated actions over time. They have been visiting their grandparents every weekend.